Good evening everyone. Welcome to PCB Design Coaching. Today's this tutorial we will discuss about project command and place command of Altium Designer. So let's start today's this joyful class without any further ado. So first we will discuss about project command. In project command the first option is validate PCB project. This option validate PCB project is an option in that checks for any error or warnings throughout your project, especially the schematic and PCB design, whether any schematic sheet is missing or not, electrical connection are made correctly or not, footprints of components are assigned properly or not, there is any conflict between nets and rules, the project is compilable or not. Okay, and next is add to new project. We have successfully discussed about this topic in the previous video. And next is add existing to project. By the help of this option, this command, we can open our schematic library and PCB library from our folder, okay, where we have saved our schematic file and schematic library and PCB library. And next is remove from project. This option is used to remove our schematic file and PCB file from our project. Okay, so I have selected this schematic file and now I will click on remove from project. So you can see we can delete our schematic file permanently and exclude from project. Okay, and next option is project document. So project document in Altium Designer are all the files that are part your PC project, such as schematic and PCB layout library. All these files are appear in the projects panels. Okay, and next is close project document. Here I have selected a schematic file, so I will click on this option. Then we will see that our schematic file will be closed. Okay, so project and then close project document. So you can see our schematic file has closed. Now I will open it again. Double click on the schematic file. So you can see our schematic file has opened again. And next is close project. If we will click on this option, then we will see that our project will be closed properly. And next option is show difference. This option differentiate between schematic file and PCB file. And this option physically differentiate between schematic file and PCB file. And next is variants. The same base schematic and PCB design is used to create configuration of different components. Okay, and next is story and version control. In this option, add project to version control, storage manager, local story. So story and version control are the separate but important features in Altium Designer that improve collaboration, tracking and backup of your PCB design. Okay, I will let you know about these options as soon as they become useful. And next is project packager. So project packager is used when you want to send your project to someone else or create a backup including of all the project's dependencies, file lists, outputs. Okay, and next is package releaser. In Altium Designer is a professional and structured tool that creates a production ready release package of your PC project containing all necessary files for fabrication, assembly and documentation in a standard format. And next option is share. By the help of this option, we can share our project at any other platform with the help of this option. And next is project option. Project option manage schematic and PCB output generation and validation. Okay, so this is our project command. And next is place. Here bus entry part, power port, these all options are the part of place command. Power port, wire, net label, port, offset connector, seat symbol, seat entry, device seat, reuse block, harness, directives, text string, text frame, notes, drawing tools. Okay, So we will discuss about these all options one by one. So first is bus, that is used to connect multiple rated signals lines into one group. It is used to make the wiring in the schematic clean, organized and easy to read. Okay. And next is bus entry. It is very closely to bus option, and bus entry to represent the multiple signal together. And next is part. In this option, our library will be so schematic library. So you can see these are the components are saved in our schematic library. Okay, this is our schematic library, schematic components library. So MOSFET. So you can see I have added an component that is MOSFET. This is MOSFET symbol. And next is power port. This is ground. So you can see power port has connected with the MOSFET. If you want to give any kind of voltage supply to the MOSFET terminal, into the MOSFET terminal, then you can convert it into any types of port. So arrow and bar and wave. So these are the multiple signals, and we can say multiple option you can use. And here I will mention simply plus 5 volt, plus 5 volt. So you can see now this has become an 5 volt supply signal, and this is ground. Okay, GND. So this is our power port, and next is wire tracks. Okay, so this is our wire option, and next is net level and port, offset connectors, seat symbol. Net level, port and offset connector, these are similar to each other. These three options are similar to each other. The offset connector in Altium Designer is a tool used to connect signal between two different schematic seat. That is when your PCB is multiple seat within the same project without drawing wire. Okay, so this is our offset connector, and port net level also work as an offset connector. And next is seat symbol. It is used to organize multi-seat design. It is used to make modular a complex circuit, and also used to show the flow of signals. Okay, we will use these all option when we will create an schematic file. And next is seat entry. It is a connector. It is used to make modular and hierarchical of a design. Next is device seat symbol. It is a block that used to insert a pre-designed reusable schematic device seat into another schematic seat. And next is reuse block. This reuse block in Altium Designer is used to that you reuse a circuit or schematic section that you have created once without having to create a new one over and over again. This saves a lot of time and efforts, especially in complex of a representative design. And harness directives, harness, single harness, harness connector, harness entry, predefined harness connector. It connects many signal together. Okay, and directives we will discuss when we will draw an schematic file about this option. Text string, it is used to write and text frame, notes, drawing tools. Arc, full circle, and elliptical arc, ellipsis, line, rectangle, round rectangle, polygon, and polygon weather graphics. These drawing tools will be used in PCB library. When you will create an PCB library and you will create footprints, then these all option will be very useful. Okay, so that's all in today's class. We will meet soon in the next video with a new topic. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends who want to learn PCB design and like it. Okay, thank you.